fourth quarter numbers, with the numbers surpassing street estimates. HUL's profit in the fourth quarter rose by over 14%, and the big figure was the volume growth coming in at 11%, almost double the expectations of 6%. So what has helped HUL register such a strong set of numbers? Priya Sheth is here with the key highlights. Priya, take us through the numbers.
Well, the key number that the street had been watching out for FMCG major Hindustan Unilever has been volume growth, and that's come in at about 11% versus an expectation of about 6 to 8%. The management says that the steps taken by the government to cut GST rates has played a key role in driving volume growth. Margin expansion has been attributed to the increasing cost efficiencies at the company. Trade channels, we understand, are back to normal. The management has said that the wholesale channels that have been weak for the last couple of quarters are beginning to normalize and have completely normalized in most pockets of the country. As far as rural growth is concerned, that's something that the street had been watching out for. The management says that there are some green shoots as far as rural growth is concerned. In some pockets, in fact, rural growth has normalized, but they're still to reach historic rates as far as growth is concerned. Now, commodity prices continue to be a cause of concern because there is some escalation that is expected to continue in the second half of the year, but the management did not indicate as to how this would translate into any sort of price increases. Of course, lastly, the focus for the management and the company would be on premiumization as well as on the naturals portfolio that has been driving growth for the last few quarters.
Rural growth has again come back. There was a period of time when the rural markets were growing less than urban. So I'm very happy to tell you now there are pockets where they are growing ahead of urban. Not at the historical rate of growth, 1.5, 1.6x, but clearly there are green shoots that rural is up again. And the other important bit is we should also thank the government. The steps they took to reduce the GST rates and the way we as Hindustan Unilever reacted by passing on the benefits to the consumer, that also I believe has played an important role in fueling the volume growth.
Okay, so that is the reason why the numbers were better than expected. Of course, watch out for the stock tomorrow since the numbers came just after market closing. For now, quick break.